Welcome to a badagateun namhangangpunggyeong, where you can begin your journey by scanning the QR code on your screen or reading the full description below for booking details. Imagine waking to a panoramic vista, the Namhan River stretching before you like a tranquil sea. Our unique retreat in Yeoju-si offers an unparalleled escape, where nature and comfort harmoniously blend. Embrace the camping-inspired interiors, designed to evoke a sense of warmth and tranquility. Each detail has been carefully considered to ensure a restful and rejuvenating stay. As dusk settles, prepare to be captivated by a cityscape that transforms into a shimmering night sea. The urban lights create a magical ambience, reminiscent of a peaceful seaside village. You'll find yourself immersed in an enchanting atmosphere perfectly suited for quiet contemplation or romantic moments. With check-in beginning at 3 p.m. and check-out until 11 a.m., you're afforded ample time to fully absorb the experience. The hotel features complimentary car parking, Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and a kitchen, ensuring a seamless experience. Please note that while we welcome guests of all ages, additional fees may apply for younger guests. Whether you seek a quiet solace or a romantic rendezvous, a badagateun namhangangpunggyeong promises a journey of serenity and unforgettable memories. Don't delay your escape to this riverside oasis. Scan the QR code now and secure your reservation for an experience that will stay with you long after you leave.